Hello guys, welcome back to our channel that is Career Wave. This is Satyendra Pathak, and today the next person that I wanna introduce you is Prathyusha, and she is quite a brilliant student. और उन्होंने जबरदस्त तरीके से मेहनत करी है and finally she have made to the finalist. और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि उनकी आगे की जर्नी जबरदस्त रहेगी। उम्मीद क्या, ये भरोसा है कि आगे की जर्नी जबरदस्त रहने वाली है, क्योंकि आगे तो कैरियर ही है और एक प्रॉस्पेरस लाइफ आगे उनका वेट कर रही है। सो लेट्स मीट हर एंड लेट्स हियर इट आउट फ्रॉम हरसेल्फ। So, hello Pratyusha, welcome back on Career Wave. And first of
Hello.
all, many congratulations to you for qualifying the examination. So, how do you
Thank you,
feel
sir.
today?
I feel so happy, sir.
Okay,
Uh, it has been God's grace. It's still unbelievable to me right now. So I'm very happy, sir.
okay, that's quite a good thing to hear that. Ki, लेकिन next thing is कि how did your parent feel? Like your mother and father, how did they react when they heard of qualifying you the exam?
They are very happy, sir. They are so proud. Yes, sir.
That's the thing that we dream for a lifetime, that we see the glitter in the eye of our parents, that they are proudly feeling for us, and that is the
True, sir.
moment that you should be capturing right now, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next thing is I would just want to ask a little bit of introduction from your side, just in few sentences in a short way. So
Okay, sir.
please let us know.
Myself, Prathyusha, sir. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. My schooling and till 12th standard, I have studied here, sir. My graduation, I finished from NIT Bhopal, sir, in metallurgical engineering. So, right after the graduation, I first tried for the GATE, sir. But due to the COVID and all that stuff, there were not so many vacancies in the metallurgy. So, I just thought of trying this ATC, sir.
How did you heard of ATC? How did you came to know about ATC? Did you knew
Uh,
it along the way?
Actually, there is a family member, sir. He works in Airports Authority of India. So through him, I got to know this, sir.
That was awesome. And the next thing is, how did you hear out of Career Wave? How did you know what is Career Wave and how did you join us?
Actually, I was searching for many platforms, sir. On Google, I was searching, but when I saw the interaction you had with the students, it was very deep. You are interacting very closely. So I thought if I had any queries and all, I could ask you very easily. It is easy to connect with you. So I thought of joining the career base.
So actually, sometime it is like when the person is going to qualify, they do join us. Actually, the nature does the thing that a brilliant person actually they personally get attracted towards us.
Yes,
Next
true,
thing
sir.
is, can you let me know like what was the shift, which was the shift, and how much did you score in the
Uh,
examination?
yes, sir. My shift was third shift, sir. It was in the evening. Uh, uh, I have a reservation, sir, from ST category, and my score is 96, sir.
Okay. The thing was like in the third chapter there was no normalization at all. I think after normalization there
Yes,
was
sir.
little minute difference, or some categories there wasn't any
Point.
difference.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It was very
In first
minute.
shift
No.
for your category, I think there was 96 scoring person who was qualified in the first shift for
Yes,
open category. So there
yes,
was a
sir.
lot. That was the thing. Next thing is like uh, what was the experience with Career Wave? Like in which batch you got enrolled and how did the things you got
I
along?
got a, yes, sir. I got enrolled in the SCORER batch, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I referred the NCERT materials, sir. For whichever subjects I felt very difficult, I went through your videos thoroughly, sir. I listened to all the classes that you taught. So I had a running notes, and then I got all the doubts clarified. After that, I had repeatedly written the test series, sir. Last 15 days, I never skipped a day without a test series, sir. So I suggest that to everyone. I'm actually a little weak at the time management, sir. So for me, writing the test series every day has been very useful, sir. Your test series also have a certain standard. So they have been quite useful to me.
Okay. So that was a thing I also want to suggest people like practice makes someone perfect. More the practice, more you practice, more you know,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
So what is about the surrounding, like your relatives and friend circle and party and all those things? Have you done that?
Actually, my parents, they were very sure that I'll be getting the job right after the first announcement
I
of the
didn't.
list. Sir. First list was released. They were pretty sure that I'll be getting. So they have already told all my relatives that I got selected in that job. So now this is not news to my relatives, but my parents are pretty happy today. My siblings and my parents.
And what about the friend circle, like your colleagues and all those?
Yes, sir. They're very happy for me, sir. They have been very helpful to me in the times of hardness. They have been encouraging me to not give up on the dream that I had. So, yes, sir. I'm very happy to have all these
I can
members
feel the
in my life.
vibration right now that you are going through. Huh? Whenever
Yes,
you
sir.
work not, you put everything in the thing that you are struggling for, and afterwards you get this achieve the thing that you want to. Then what you
True,
feel,
sir.
that's quite.
True.
Yeah. So
I
the next
have to
thing is
thank. I have to thank you a lot, sir. You have been not only giving the subject classes, but also uh, at every intervals of time, you have been giving us the motivational speeches also, sir. They have been really pushed me to not give up at the times of hopelessness or a little discouragement. I felt very encouraged by those videos. I'm really
mm,
thankful for that.
thank you so much for considering me and such a nice appreciation. It is quite a rare at the time. बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो खैर, that is the next thing. And next thing is like how do you feel right now means in the way like telling the student, the next aspirants, or those
Yes,
who haven't made it yet, and
yes,
about everything, every you have to cover every corner that you feel like what
yes.
they should be knowing from your side.
Uh, I would tell, sir, this job, this doesn't require very depth of study, sir. They have to do hard work for a month or two, and they will be easily able to crack it, sir. But they have to do it with uh,
Career
concentration
wave.
and true, sir. Career wave also. So they have to be very careful during the preparation of just that less amount of time. Also, they have to put the whole concentration into that, and also they have to thoroughly do all the examples of the NCRT books. And then if they have any doubts, like I refer to your lectures, whether it be aptitude or maths or physics, anything, sir. I refer to your videos. And then it is very important to write the exams, because time management and also the practice we get through those exams. So, and also while we are writing those series, sometimes we may get less marks, we may get discouraged, and we may fear to write the exams. But I will say that even if we get low marks right now in the test series, if we keep on writing the exams without giving up, definitely it will show up in the end exams. Hard work really pays off, so never give up. That's what I want to tell.
That's the thing that I believe so. Sometimes actually failure, repeated failures makes the people discouraged or hopeless. But in the end, they shine. Whatever they have done, whatever they have invested, it never goes in vain. It always
Yes,
pays off. It may be a
yes,
little
sir.
bit late.
True, sir.
So that was all from my side, and I all again congratulate you. And the next
Thank
thing
you.
is whatever the thing that you wish to share about us or the platform or from your side, whatever the message you want to convey, it's up to you.
Yes, sir. I would say that the explanation classes are also very detailed, sir. Even for the students who are starting the preparation right now without any prior knowledge, it has been they can understand it very easily. The way the explanation classes are, and also the doubt clearing sessions, the exams, the test series, the standard of the test series is also very good, sir. So I would say career wave has been very helpful for me in the preparation of the ATC exam.
So thank you so much, Pratyusha, for joining me, and it was a really nice session and so much appreciation in the end.
Thank you, sir.
So thanks
Thank you.
goes to you. And again, many, many congratulations. And we all wish you all the best. And we wish that whenever you get your posting right in the northern part of India, and if by any chance you visit in the northern part of India, I personally wish that you should visit us sometime, like for a minute
Definitely.
only, but you should be visiting us. Okay?
Sure, sir. I'll come for sure, sir.
Okay. So thank you so much for the meeting today. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, hello guys, this was Pratyusha, and it was very nice session meeting her. And I think you must have gone through her whole session, and you have found it very useful. Thank you for joining the session. Wish you all the best. Bye.